Barbie Fortes update. Yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. Ay sinuro pa nga ni Barbie sa salihan ng event. And paano sa March 8, Women's Run PH. Ay mamimili na nga siya ng running shoes na kanyang susuotin sa fun run. Sabi ni Barbie, gearing up my first fun run of 2026. And good luck kay Barbie. Mga kailang kilometer kaya si Barbie. Abangan. And nakakuha Philippines. Running shoes si Barbie. Saka ito pa yung post ni Barbie sa kanyang Instagram. Sabi niya, thank you all so much for coming to my vlog screening of Until She Remembers. I super appreciate each and every one of you for going out of your way to support the film. I'm also so happy and enjoy it. Until She Remembers now showing in cinemas nationwide. And after ng black screening, ay kasama ni Barbie mag-dinner sila Mitch at Prince Benmat. Yun, no? And ito na post ng Barbie Natics, yung mga fans ni Barbie sa black screening. Kaya masaya si Barbie. May vitamin ito, no? Hawak si Barbie. Mga pa-black screening ng Barbie Natics. Ayan, ganyan kumahal si Barbie. Ganyan fans love na Barbie Natics. Ayan o, Daddy Tony, oh. May sa Green Hills. Yan, nakaabang yung mga fans ni Barbie. Barbie na
sa kada panood ko, mas lumalalim yung understanding ko of the film, and so I highly recommend that you do the same.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard, the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.